When your most valued personal possessions are damaged in a disaster, Cleanup and Total Restoration has the experience and technology to make certain your restoration process goes smoothly. Our staff will guide you through the process using state-of-the-art software to document all of your possessions and determine what can be restored to its pre-loss condition. We also use the industry's leading ultrasonic cleaning system to restore anything from the silverware you inherited from your grandmother to your most valued business assets. We will guide you through the process step by step with the necessary compassion to assist you with navigating a difficult and unexpected event in your life. Whether it is your personal or business property, Cleanup and Total Restoration has an experienced and highly trained staff to restore your life back to normal as quickly as possible.